One of the primary objectives of visitors to the Falklands is the unusual wildlife that inhabits them. The islands are a paradise for bird watchers. There are more than 120 species of birds. Birds common to the main islands are upland geese, steamer ducks, oyster catchers, gulls, and terns. Albatross and giant petrels nest on some of the outer islands. Fur seals, sea lions, and elephant seals are also present in small numbers during part of the year. The origin of the islands is shrouded in tectonic mystery. The entire South American continental plateau rose up, then subsided again, except for the cluster of two large islands and nearly 200 islets, some 375 miles east of the coast of Patagonia. This group of islands is what makes up the Falklands. The Lady Elizabeth is a three-masted freighter. It sank in 1913 after hitting a reef and limping into this harbor. We didn't quite know what to make of this fellow. He had swam out to the sandbar, proceeded to take off all his clothes, and then urinate onto the Lady Elizabeth. Weird. That's all I can say.
Holy crap!
That's pretty cool.
Right over the edge. I was like,
right over the hill out of nowhere. I know, you're like...
Most of the food on the Falklands is British in nature. You'll find quality lamb and beef dishes. In true British fashion, you'll find several well-patronized pubs where you may sample a pint. Christ Church Cathedral on Ross Road in Stanley, Falkland Islands, is the southernmost cathedral in the world. Consecrated in 1892, it is known for its whalebone arch made from the jaws of two blue whales. That was raised in 1933.
Quiere comprar, yo no quiero perder el tiempo comprando.
Si están todos los negocios así como este, por no podés ver nada.
No.